Hello dear students, this is the question number 7 of exercise 6.4. The question is, in a right angle triangle ABC, angle B is given 90 degree. Okay, if AB is given, side BC is given, we have to find the side AC. What is the length of side AC? So first of all, we will draw one rough triangle. Okay, no need to draw fair figure. Okay, like this. So first of all, if you check, it is given angle B is 90. So this angle is 90 degree. So here you have to write B. Suppose this is our A point and this is our C point. Okay. AB is given 6 centimeters. So write down here 6 centimeter. After that BC is given 8 centimeters. So this is 8 centimeter. Okay. We have to find this length. So let it is X centimeter. Let AC is equals to X centimeter. Now to find the length of AC, we will revise first Pythagoras property, or you can say Pythagoras theorem. So the Pythagoras property is base square plus perpendicular square is equals to hypotenuse square. Okay, अब hypotenuse, what is hypotenuse? Base, perpendicular. Base, this side is called base, this is base. Okay, you can write like here, we are talking about this angle, this is called base. Okay, after that, if this is the base, you can write this is perpendicular, and the greatest side in a right angle triangle, the greatest side is always called hypotenuse. Okay, तो greatest side क्या होती है? हमेशा सबसे बड़ी वाली hypotenuse. So now you can write like this. This is the property, Pythagoras property, या Pythagoras theorem. Base square, what is the base? BC whole square plus perpendicular AB whole square is equals to hypotenuse square. Hypotenuse क्या है? AC का whole square. Okay. Now base square BC, what is the value of BC? It is given 8. So 8 square plus AB. AB is given 6 square, and AC is given X square. If you check, X square is equals to 6 square 36 plus 8 square 64. So I am writing like this, X square is equals to 64 and 36 is 100. Now if you transpose this square to right hand side, it becomes square root. Now X equals to, we have to find the square root of 100. It is your choice. You can find it with prime factorization or division method. So here I am doing with prime factorization. 50, 25, after that with 5, and we all know root 100 is equals to 10 आएगा, but in fair notebooks or exams you have to find it with prime factorization. Here you can write with prime factorization. Okay, now we have done so many questions how to find. Just make the pairs and take out one number outside. So 2 into 5, X equals to 10 centimeter. So check कर लो, ये 10 6 और 8 से greater ही आ रहा है ना. Hypotenuse is always greater. Here you can write the statement. Here AC is equals to 10 centimeter. This is our answer. Okay. Similarly, we will do the second part now. The second part is, this is our second part. Now AC is given, BC is given, and we have to find AB. So again, rough diagram we are drawing here. This is our A, B and C. Why we have written B here? Because it is given angle B is 90 degree. Okay, AC, the greatest side, it is also given 13 centimeter. This one is 13. BC is given 5 centimeter. Okay, this is given 5. Let AB, so this is our X. Let AB is equals to X centimeter. Now again using Pythagoras theorem, बेसिकली ये एक प्रॉपर्टी है. ओके, क्या है प्रॉपर्टी? बेस स्क्वायर प्लस परपेंडिकुलर स्क्वायर इज इक्वल्स टू hypotenuse square. So base, this is our base BC, you can write like this, BC square plus perpendicular. Now this is our perpendicular जिस पे 90 डिग्री लाई हो रहा है ना, ये वाला this side, AB square is equals to hypotenuse AC whole square. Now put the value of BC, 5 square plus X square is equals to AC is given already 13 square. Now 25 plus X square is equals to 13 into 13, 169. So you can write like this. देखो X square as it is, इस 25 को ट्रांसपोज करो, 169 minus 25. So X square equals to, if you subtract it, you will get 144. It is okay. Now same, X equals to square root of 144. Similarly, you can find the prime factorization of 144. Divide by 272, again with 2, 36, again with 2, 18, again with 2, 9, 3 and 1. Now you can write, we know that 144, square root of 144 is 12, but we have to show the prime factors. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. It is your choice, you can do with division method also. Now pairing, after that X equals to 1 2 outside, again 1 2 outside from square root, and this 3. So now X equals to 2 2 is a 4, 3 is a 12 centimeter. This is our answer. And here you can write, here side AB is equals to 12 centimeter. This is your final answer. Now move to the question number 8.